the holy grail. I put the pineapple whip inside the pineapple. Game over. Alright. Filipinos run the town. Filipinos run Hawaii. Hello, I'm gonna get the strawberry one mixed time. Well, so I just want to let you know for your birthday, I got you a yacht.
Let's do it.
Birthday.
Let's do it.
So my new best friend Stephanie over here has never tried Jollibee.
I'm getting coochie if I buy you this ticket.
This combo right here is going up.
It's Hawaii. The pineapple in that, I think, is game over. Did you try the Dole Whip?
I did.
The Dole Whip and the pineapple is like another challenge.
Jollibee chicken and gravy with the dough inside the pineapple though. Ridiculous.
Alright, so we're here. Oahu Best Cruises?
Oahu boat cruises, but yeah, you can say that.
Best Cruises. This is the owner. This handsome guy himself.
Nice to meet you.
You might know it, you might recognize him from TV and movies. Let him know what you're on. Don't be shy.
Triple Frontier, watch it on Netflix.
All right.
Thanks for coming out.
Make it splash, follow the Rick and call me Superman, no cake.
So we're here on a yacht. I still haven't ate my peach mango pie and my chicken joy. But look at how amazing this is. We got Diamond Head over here.
I gotta face cops. I don't need a hoe, I need the whole case drop. So I don't need a hoe, I need a whole lot of paper.
Yo, make some noise for my man right now. You guys are in Hawaii. Let's go. Let's do the dance off. And let's go. Yo, if you guys are like a unicorn duck girl, let's go, make some noise!
Aloha! Phoenix Soul representing Waikiki just won the dance contest!
Once again, guys, we are Oahu Boat Cruises. My name is Lewis. I got one last song for you guys real quick. And shout out DJ Hooper right here on the ones and twos. And shout out Ryan over there.
Our winner for today.
How I fell in love.